Hello guys, welcome in the video. Today we are going to unbox this Tarot Ironman TL68C01 hexacopter frame with its wheelbase of 680mm, 28cm of height and 600 gram of empty weight. Get ready to see it. Ta-da! Inside we can get instruction manual on the top of 2 pages, which is not the proper instruction for the assembly. Anyway, moving on, we get landing gears, which seems very durable and strong. Next, 2 pair of foldable motor arms with 1 cm of carbon fiber tubes. Actually, the whole body construction is carbon fiber, which quality seems promising to me. Next, 2 pair of carbon fiber tubes for the landing skid and the camera mount. Next, it provides us 2 pair of CNC milled brackets, again with rubber dampings for the vibration isolation, and removes that jello effect or shake effect in the video and increases overall video performance. Next, we got T connector for landing gear, which will connect the landing gear tubes with skids. Next, a sticker which we can paste wherever we want in the frame. Motor arms, but not like others which were previously. It is fixed and cannot be folded. The motor mounts are also fixed and are pretty rigid. Again, another motor arm like the previous. This is the big base plate where we will place our flight controller and other electronic stuffs. And at the last but not the least, we have 2 pair of motor mount for the motor arms. 2 motor mounts are red among them in order to indicate the orientation of our craft when used in. I don't know how this is out of plastic, but this should either an additional piece or seller did a mistake. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. If you are with me till now, then don't forget to press that like button and also subscribe my channel. Anyway, the box is empty now. Let's keep it aside and look closely what are the stuff we got inside these plastic bags. Let's free this base plate from the plastic case. Wow, this looks awesome. As I don't have any international object for the size comparison, so let's take my palm for the size comparison. Who matters it, right? We got a packet inside a packet. Wow, containing metal spacers. Here is the top plate which go on the top of the frame using the provided spacers. We can also place our power distribution board at the center of the base plate. Here we have a bunch of screws and carbon fiber plates. Oh, they are for the motor mounts, in which we will screw our motors. Actually, there are 6 of them and all are CNC finished. We can see background through holes, which proves the statement that the CNC milling is very good. Here this plate will fit in the motor mount in this manner. These motor arm tube come semi-assembled. They are 1 inch or 10mm in diameter, and the sticker makes our drone look cool. We can paste these long stickers on our motor arms. Moving on, the CNC finished shining ring brackets also look super cool. The bolts are not given separately in packet, so carefulness is most necessary here. Next, 4 of smaller tubes which are not shiny as motor arms, but this feels very light in hand. Last but not the least, landing gears also look rigid, strong and are also foldable. The frame is light, compact, foldable, fully made of carbon fiber material, strong. So this is the reason why I purchased it. This much for the video guys. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.